Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful multicolor pattern. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigan, gents sweaters, baby frocks, blankets, shawl. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 8 stitches and plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern, and this pattern is of only 8 rows. For demonstration I have taken 19 stitches. For base I have knitted 2 rows. So let us start now with color B. Slip 3 stitches, then knit 5 stitches with color B, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here our first repeat pattern is completed. Now second repeat, for that yarn in back and slip 3 stitches and then with color B knit 5 stitches. Second repeat. Now slip 3 stitches, turn work and now row 2, purl 5 stitches and then slip 3 stitches with yarn in front, again purl 5 stitches, now slip 3 stitches, this is our second row. Now third row from front side with color A, knit 3 stitches and then yarn in front and purl 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our first repeat pattern. Then yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again yarn in front and purl 5 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now knit last 3 stitches. Here our third row is over now. Now fourth row from back side with color A, purl all stitches, complete row with purl stitches, purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our 4th row. Now 5th row with color C. Repeat pattern, knit 4 stitches with color C and then slip 3 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Again knit 4 stitches and slip 3 stitches with yarn in back. This is second repeat pattern and then knit last 4 stitches. Here we have completed our 5th row. Now 6th row from back side with color C. Purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now slip 3 stitches with yarn in front, 1, 2, 3. This is our first repeat pattern. Again purl 4 stitches, and then slip 3 stitches with yarn in front. This is our second repeat pattern. Now purl last 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have completed our 6th row. Now 7th row with color A. First repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches, and then knit 3 stitches, first repeat pattern is complete. Now second repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now purl last 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have completed our 7th row. Now 8th row from wrong side. With color A, purl all stitches. Complete row with all purl stitches. After completing 8 rows, our pattern will look like this. Repeat these 8 rows till you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Bye friends.